Hello and welcome, my friends. Today you're going to hear a story so emotional and heartbreaking that it will stay with you forever. It's one of the most famous baby mix-up stories in history. This is more than just a story. It's about life, love, loss, and a mistake that changed everything. So please stay with me until the end. Not only will you improve your English, but you'll also experience something deep in your heart. Imagine being in the shoes of two baby girls who were swapped at birth. They grew up not knowing the truth. They didn't feel the hugs of their real mothers. They didn't hear the voices they were meant to recognize. They didn't grow up in the homes where they truly belonged. Imagine never smelling your real mother's scent, never hearing her lullabies. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, sit back, relax, and share your feelings in the comments. Let me tell you about the lives of Manon and Mathilda. We often watch movies where babies are accidentally swapped at birth in hospitals. It seems like something that only happens in fiction. But sometimes real life events are more shocking than anything we see in movies. This story is not made up. It actually happened. The beginning of a nightmare. In 1994, in a small hospital in France, two baby girls were born just hours apart. Their names were Manon and Mathilda. Both babies were placed in incubators because they had jaundice, a common condition in newborns where a baby's skin turns yellow due to high bilirubin levels. To treat this, the doctors placed both babies in the same incubator, a special bed with lights that help reduce bilirubin levels. But something went terribly wrong. A nurse, tired and distracted, accidentally switched the babies. She gave Manon to Mathilde's mother and Mathilde to Manon's mother. Both mothers noticed something was wrong. Manon's mother, Sophie, saw that her baby had darker skin and shorter hair than she remembered. Mathilde's mother, who had a light complexion, noticed her baby had darker skin. The hospital staff assured them it was just the lighting in the incubators, that the rays could make the hair grow. But deep down, both mothers felt something was off. The truth comes out. Years passed. Manon grew up in a family with dark hair and eyes. Mathilde grew up in a family with light features. When Manon was 10 years old, her father became suspicious. He asked for a paternity test. The results were shocking. Manon was not his biological daughter. Sophie, her real mother, was devastated. She had raised another woman's child for a decade. The hospital admitted the mistake. Both families were heartbroken. The pain of separation. The court ordered the families to swap the babies back. But how do you give up a child you've loved for 10 years? Sophie and her family met Mathilde for the first time. It was a painful moment. They had to say goodbye to the girl they had raised. Mathilde's biological mother, who had raised Manon, also met her real daughter. It was a moment of joy and sadness. Both families tried to adjust, but the pain of losing a child and gaining a new one was overwhelming. The legal battle. The families sued the hospital for the emotional trauma they endured. In 2015, the court awarded them 1.88 million euros in damages. But no amount of money could heal their broken hearts. A lesson for us all. This story is a reminder of how important it is to be careful and responsible, especially when it comes to newborns. Hospitals must have strict procedures to prevent such mistakes. Parents must stay vigilant and question anything that seems wrong. And we must remember that behind every headline, they are real people, real families whose lives are changed forever.